Glam Kitchen fam, and welcome new viewers. Today's top tier recipe is Sazon baked chicken leg quarters. My name is Shantae, and welcome to my kitchen, the Glam Kitchen. Make sure you like and subscribe for more top tier recipes. Here in the Glam Kitchen, I teach you how to make top tier recipes like the one we're gonna make today. Just as a heads up, the full recipe and exact measurements are available at the link in my description box. Now let's get you cooking. Oh no, there's no way I'm cooking chicken without cleaning it. However, if you're not in the I wash my meat ministry, just make sure it's at least pat dry. In a good sized deep bowl, I want you to add some all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning, ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, oregano, thyme. Now I'm using 2 packets of Sazon seasoning. Also, I'm using 4 pounds of chicken, if that makes sense. If you're using a smaller amount of chicken, you don't need 2 packets. I want you to squeeze about a tablespoon of lime or lemon juice. Limes seem like they're a little harder to squeeze than lemons. I don't know. If y'all got some tricks, let me know. And then a tablespoon of garlic paste. If you have minced garlic, you can use that as well, but I prefer using garlic paste. And correction, I still love me some minced garlic or garlic cloves, but again, for this recipe, garlic paste is bae. Add in 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now that we have all our ingredients in this bowl, we want to mix this up. I want you to mix it up very well so that a paste kind of forms, okay? Now that it's a perfect consistency, we're gonna go ahead and put this over our cleaned chicken that we had set aside earlier. And again, I used 4 pounds of chicken for this recipe. Now it doesn't look like 4 pounds of chicken, but I'm telling y'all, these leg quarters are very big and meaty, so they look smaller than they are. As you can see, again, I'm pouring all of that good seasoning mix over our chicken. Once you have spooned all of that seasoning out of the bowl onto your chicken, next thing we're gonna do is we are going to get to work. This is the part that's gonna make or break your chicken, okay? You need to get that seasoning all up and through these leg quarters. Open the skin, rub the seasoning down in between the skin. Don't just put it on top of the chicken leg quarter. Pull that skin up, put some seasoning down in there. Take your time, make sure all of these leg quarters are evenly coated with our seasoning, okay? After you're done, I want you to marinate your chicken for 2 to 4 hours. Just like washing your meat, that tip is optional too, but you know, I'm just telling you my best practices. Make sure you preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Again, 375 degrees. And then we are gonna put our seasoned chicken leg quarters in a deep oven safe baking dish. We're then gonna bake our chicken leg quarters for 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now, if you're a girly like me who likes really well done chicken, I'm gonna lean you closer to the hour and 10 minutes. If not, you know, cook it until it's 165 degrees internal temperature. You do not need to cover this chicken while it's baking, but you do need to baste it in the pan juices every 20 minutes, okay? This is the finished product, some well-seasoned, juicy chicken leg quarters. I'm basting it in the juices, and then I'm gonna just sprinkle it with a little parsley because, you know, us food content creators, we love our parsley. I promise you this chicken tastes as good as it looks. If you made it to this point in the video, you are a real one, and thank you so much for supporting and watching. Tell me in the comments what sides you would make with this chicken. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly appreciate the support. Bye-bye.